I'm Namrata, and I tried to build an AI personalized fashion assistant. And to match with the theme, I added a little bit of snow. And I want to make it as a bigger startup, but I just want to check how much I could do in this, like today, without using any API keys. So this is a personal fashion app, and I got this idea when I saw the movie Clueless, where she has this person I say in the computer say, you know what, I'm gonna match my outfits and see how it looks on me. I want to do this very long time, but AI kind of made it easy, I guess. So the whole idea is that it has 3 different steps, and at first you can just upload your pictures. Wait, I got a picture from the web. I don't know who that is, but yeah, it's just you have to upload your picture, and it kind of does the personal color analysis and kind of checks your skin tone, checks your body type, and says like whether you suit well with the warm tones or the cool tones, and according to the season. For like summers, I want to wear something different than the winter, so it kind of chooses your different metrics, and will suggest you the tones you gotta go with. And you can also upload clothes from your closet, and it can also match you with the shirt and then the bottoms or whatever it is, and gives you a whole look. And you can also, if you want to try something new, like you never wear streetwear or something like that, you could go and ask the AI, and it will kind of help you with certain new styles. And I want to make it a little bit easy, so I kind of did how we did with the dating apps like Tinder and stuff. If I like this outfit, I could just say yes. If I don't, I'll just say no, so that the model could be trained on the way of the choice of outfits you like. So it's going to give you an output eventually, the one you like. And and I didn't add that in this because I didn't have time. So it could also help you with personalizing your hairstyle or makeup, especially if you wanted to. I mean, we have YouTube tutorials and stuff, but we don't. My app, it's going to be like an AI who's sitting at you and looking at you when you're doing it. If you're just like, imagine you did your eyeliner in a certain way, it could help you. Hey, you're doing it wrong, just do it this way. It might match you with the style you're doing. For men, it's like hairstyle, something, you got some hair. So yeah, this is what it is about. And I'm working on having my own model for this, fine-tuning according to the needs so far. So yeah, this is it.
Future startup.
Nice.